It's Tuesday morning at 8:30 and had a good quiet night, but as it was getting late, a thick mist came down and let's just get down this slope. Yeah, a thick mist came down and it stayed all night and it's only just cleared, but as you can see, it's left a beautiful day. So shirt sleeve weather again, not a breath of wind, so we'll go for a little walk along the beach. Enjoy the good weather before we leave. I'll go and explore this little rocky outcrop. Oh, there's a dog running along. No obvious owner. Must be somebody around somewhere. She's not sure. Come on. Just climbing up that outcrop. There's a couple of tents up there, perhaps that's where the dog came from. A lovely view of the beach from here. And there goes that little dog. I think it's up to that camper van over there. Now I've just noticed, down amongst the grass, it's more of that funny hairy fungus stuff. And a dog. Get out of the way, you. Yeah, I still don't know what it is. It's all over here. Oh well, never mind. You still hear that cuckoo? A wonderful spot. Well, I'll go back to the van now and clear up, get myself sorted, and then a little bit later on we'll make tracks for Scourie. Driving along the road from Firemore Beach. Spectacular scenery this morning. Amazing the difference a bit of sunshine makes. This is typical of the roads up here. It's fabulous views. On the road to Ullapool now, but just stopped off at this viewpoint. It's quite a wonderful view with still a bit of sea mist in the distance there. But basically a lovely warm sunny day. So we'll continue in that direction now. An information sign here telling the story of Loch Ewe during the Second World War. How it was a safe haven. Just a bit of scenery. It's a wonderful drive, this. Still heading towards Ullapool. The road goes along the side of the loch up there, so yeah, quite spectacular. see the Scourie Bridge in a minute. And here we are, Scourie Bridge. Lovely views up and down the loch. Here we are, this is the Scourie Bridge. Looking magnificent today. And a typical site. Camper vans and motorhomes everywhere. He said, coming from a motorhome. Just heading down in towards Scourie, where we're staying the night. This is it, behind the wall. What a surprise, he's going in as well. So here we are, we've arrived at Scourie campsite. It's what, 20 to 1, so I think we'll have some lunch now and then go for a stroll. I've just had a spot of lunch and now going to go for a walk around the bay. So, there is a back way out of the campsite, which I remember from last time. Right. Oh my word, they've upgraded this path since I was here last time. It was quite a treacherous, narrow, rocky little path, and now it's all been sanitised. Cool. People in the water over there. Absolutely crystal clear water. And just up here, there's a new little business opened up called the Crofter's Kitchen. Apparently it's very good, so I will probably go there this evening and get something fishy for me tea. Yeah, well, he's got a sort of playmate, bit of a bully. Doesn't quite know what to make of him. But, Molly's at her favourite game of chasing lumps of seaweed. Ready? Over you go. She loves killing seaweed. So you get a really good view here of the whole of the Scourie Bay. So there's a footpath leads around the side of the old cemetery there. So we'll give that a go, I think. See where that goes to. So just come out onto this little headland. And not sure how far we can go, but see if we can't go around this way. See if we can go up the top there maybe. This could well be a path here, so I've put Molly on the lead just in case. It's right on the very edge here. And I am told there are sheep up here as well, so I have to watch my footsteps because I don't want to go over the edge of there. Which way should we go? Let's go this way. Go along the edge. Wonderful. So the path continues down and then up again. Really going out into the wilds now. Right. Just gather my breath. Molly has a quick roll. And right towards the end of the headland, there's a cairn up there, so I'm guessing this must be a high point. I guess. We are on top of the world. It's still a view all the way around. Well worth a stroll. Just enjoying standing here looking at the view. It's really quite awesome. Just a breath of breeze, very little. But, behind me there seems to be another high point, so perhaps we'll have a wander over there now, see what's up there. So there's the other cairn. How to get up to it? Clamber over these rocks, I guess. Or alternatively, just walk up here. Molly's decided she wants to go that way. But we'll go this way. So another high point. Higher than the last high point. And the view, if anything, is even better. And there's another one or two over that way, but I'm not going there. I'm going to sit here for a while and admire this fantastic view before walking back down that way back to the campsite.